Two of the biggest crypto exchanges just built AI assistants directly into their platforms. Bybit has TradeGPT, Toobit has Synapse. And in this video, I'm going to show you both of them step by step and tell you exactly which one is better and why. Now I've been using both of these and I can tell you, they are not the same. They look similar on the surface, but once you get inside them, the differences are very clear. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which one fits your trading style. We are going to start with TradeGPT on Bybit, walk through everything it does, then move straight into Toobit Synapse. And at the end, I will give you my honest verdict on which one actually gives you the edge. Let's get into it. But before we get into it, if you haven't signed up on Toobit yet, this is the best time to do it. Using the link in the description, you can get up to $8,810 in rewards, plus exclusive VIP bonuses only available through my link. Just by registering, you get a $30 futures bonus and VIP one for a month. On top of that, there's a deposit milestone challenge where you can unlock up to 750 USDT and a trading challenge worth up to 150 USDT. All of these stack. The link is in the description. Click it, sign up, and let's get into it. All right, so first things first, you are going to need a Bybit account. If you already have one, you can skip ahead. If you do not, click the link in the description. It will take you directly to the sign up page where you will automatically unlock the full bonus package I personally negotiate for my community. You will not get all of those rewards without using the link, so make sure you use it. Once you are signed in and on the Bybit homepage, you are ready to go. The platform might look a little busy at first, but do not worry. I will walk you through exactly where to go and what to click. Keep in mind, everything I'm showing you today is completely free to use once you have an account. No extra subscriptions, no hidden fees. It is just built right into the platform. So to find TradeGPT, what you want to do is go to the top navigation bar and click on Tools. Once you're in there, look for TradeGPT and click on it. Now, when you open it up, you are going to see three main options right here: Chat Now, Lens, Daily Pulse. Each one of these does something different, and I'm going to walk you through all three of them. Let's start with Chat Now. So Chat Now is basically your personal investment assistant. Think of it like having ChatGPT, but it actually knows what is happening in the crypto market right now, and it is connected directly to Bybit's data. When you click on it, you will see a chat window, very similar to what you would see on any AI assistant. On the left side, you can add new chats, and you can also jump between Lens and Daily Pulse from here as well. Now inside the chat, you will notice there are three categories you can ask questions in: market analysis. This is where you can ask things like, what are the most popular news stories in crypto in the past 24 hours? What are the support and resistance levels for SWI right now? And it will give you a proper breakdown. Really useful for getting a quick read on the market before you open a trade. Smart token insights. Here you can ask for coin recommendations, find hot projects above a certain market cap, get a breakdown of what is trending and why. So if you are looking for your next trade idea, this is a great place to start. Bybit product updates. This one is more platform focused. You can ask FAQ style questions like how to navigate certain features, how to optimize your portfolio based on what you are currently holding, or even how to set up and create basic strategies for trading bots. Very handy if you are still getting familiar with the platform. Now, one thing I want to point out, you will see an option to enable deep think. What this does is allow the AI to do deeper research before giving you an answer. It takes a little longer, but the responses are more thorough. So if you are doing serious research on a coin or a strategy, definitely turn that on. You can also see a list of coins directly below the chat. If you click on any of them, TradeGPT will pull up data like the current price, risk level, win rate prediction, indicator levels, and more. Really solid for a quick overview before you make a decision. One important thing to keep in mind, you do have a daily query limit of at least 20 questions, so use them wisely. Do not waste them on basic stuff you can Google. Save them for the questions that actually matter for your trades. By the way, if you want to build your own agentic AI for crypto, stocks, and other markets from start to finish and let it trade for you automatically, check out AI Trade Edge from the link down below. All right, next up is Lens, and this one is really interesting. I will keep this section a bit shorter because it is fairly straightforward once you see it. When you click on Lens, the first thing you will see at the top is all projects and today's project pick. The project pick is Bybit's AI recommendation for the day. I will come back to that in a second. So in the main view, you can pick any coin from Bybit's offerings. Let's say you click on a coin, you will immediately see a full rundown, current market price, market cap, volume, circulating supply, all of the key data you need. On the right side, you will see the AI assessment, which gives the coin a score. This score is based on things like community activity, X followers, social engagement, media exposure, basically how the coin is performing in the social media world, and whether there is any real hype behind it. This is actually really useful for spotting momentum early. You can also check the fundraising section to see the team behind the project and who the investors are. And then there is Bybit's own trend data, long/short ratio, inflow and outflow, volume, behavior trends, and more. And if after all of that you want to actually trade the coin, there is a Trade Now button right there. Click it, a pop-up will appear, and you can choose your preferred trading method: spot, futures, convert, loan, trading bot, or DCA. So you go from research to execution without ever leaving the page. That is a nice touch. Now going back to today's project pick, this is worth checking daily. It gives you the full AI assessment on whatever Bybit is highlighting that day, perfect for a quick morning check to see what is on the radar. And then there is Daily Pulse, which is probably the one I would use most consistently as part of a daily routine. Daily Pulse gives you AI-driven portfolio insights that decode the daily news. So when you open it up, you can check the latest crypto news, see your top holdings, find out what pairs have been newly listed on Bybit, and basically get a full picture of what is happening in the market right now, all in one place. What I really like is the top holdings section. You can actually ask the AI for more information on any of your holdings directly from here, and it will give you a summary so you can make a better decision on whether to hold, add, or reduce your position. That kind of context is genuinely useful, especially on days when the market is moving fast and you do not have time to go digging through news articles. Now, and this is important, everything TradeGPT gives you is AI generated. So use it as a reference and a starting point, not as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any trading decisions. The AI is a tool to help you think, not to think for you. So that is TradeGPT, 3 features, all free, all built into Bybit. It is genuinely useful, especially the lens feature for spotting social momentum early in Daily Pulse, for staying on top of the market without spending an hour reading news. But now let's look at what Toobit built. Because Synapse takes a very different approach, and I think once you see it, you will understand why I think it is the more powerful tool for serious traders. So first, what actually is Synapse? Toobit Synapse is an AI-powered assistant designed to be your personal co-pilot in the crypto market. Think of it like having a professional analyst sitting next to you 24/7, except it never sleeps, never gets emotional, and it processes data way faster than any human ever could. It's powered by Claude, one of the world's most advanced AI models, and it uses something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to pull in real-time market data. That's what makes it different from just asking ChatGPT about Bitcoin. Synapse has actual live market access. It's not guessing, it's reading the market right now. And here's what it actually does for you. It automates complex market research and generates strategies. So you can make faster, more informed decisions without spending hours doing the analysis yourself. It decodes market noise. Instead of drowning in data, you get simple, real-time answers about trends and signals. What's happening, why it's happening, and what to do about it. As well, it gives you access to comprehensive, AI-generated strategies that are ready to implement. You don't need a team of quants to trade like one. One click, and you've got a full breakdown. Now, keep in mind, there's also a next phase coming. Features like a 24/7 AI market watchdog that monitors the market for you around the clock and sends instant alerts when the right opportunity shows up. And automated order management with smart rules to protect your profits and cut your losses. That's all coming soon. But what's available right now is already incredibly powerful. So let's get into it. And by the way, I'm going to show you something at the end of this video that I think is going to completely change how you approach trading with AI. So stay with me until the end. All right, so let's actually find Synapse on the platform. It's very simple. Once you're logged into your Toobit account, go to the top navigation bar, click on Trade, and from the drop-down, you'll see Toobit Synapse. Just click on it. You'll land on the Synapse page, and right away you can see exactly what it does. 3 things. It acts as your personal analyst. No more long hours with endless charts. Synapse automates the analysis and generates strategies for you. Next is that it speaks to the signals. Instead of drowning in data, you get simple real-time answers about market trends. Noise turn into actionable insights, and it gives you access to top strategies. You don't need a team of quants to trade like one. Comprehensive AI-generated strategies ready with a single click. And as of right now, you can get institutional-grade AI analysis for the major coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Doge. All right, let's actually use it. Step by step. Step 1, select the cryptocurrency you want to analyze. You'll see the options right there: Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, Doge. Just click on whichever pair you want to get an analysis on. Step 2, once you've selected your pair, click on Try Toobit Synapse. And then, this is where it gets interesting. A chat window will appear. It connects to the MCP servers, and within seconds you will get a detailed AI analysis overview generated by Synapse. Now, this is not a simple chatbot response. This is a structured professional-grade report. Let me walk you through what you're actually looking at. You've got the executive summary right at the top, a clean overview of where the asset stands right now. Then the price action overview, what the price has been doing, key movements, and context. Then technical analysis patterns. This is where it gets deep. Synapse identifies chart patterns, trend structures, and signals that would normally take you a long time to map out manually. Then volume analysis, because price without volume is incomplete. Synapse reads both. Then market sentiment assessment. This is where the MCP really shines. It's pulling in not just price data, but sentiment signals from news feeds and social data. Then key levels, your support and resistance zones clearly laid out. And finally, the conclusion, a clear, actionable summary of what all of this means for your trade. All of that in one simple page in seconds. And once you have the report, you can copy it or share it directly, right from the chat window. Now, just a full disclosure here. AI analysis is for reference only and does not constitute investment advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry very high risk. Please invest cautiously and manage your risks appropriately. Look, I want to take a second here because I think it's easy to scroll past something like this and not really appreciate what it is. Most retail traders are making decisions based on incomplete information, emotional reactions, or just copying what someone else said on Twitter. And the traders who are consistently profitable, they have systems, they have data, they have analysis. Synapse is basically giving every single trader on Toobit access to that same level of analysis, the kind that used to require either a Bloomberg terminal or a team of analysts. And it's built directly into the exchange you're already using. On top of that, because it's powered by MCP and Claude, it's not just pulling static data, it's reading the live market. That's a very big deal. So if you're not using this, you're leaving an edge on the table. It's that simple. All right, so now you have seen both. Let me give you my honest take. TradeGPT is broad. It covers news, social sentiment, portfolio insights, coin discovery. It is great if you want a daily market overview and you like exploring new projects. The lens feature in particular is genuinely useful for spotting momentum early based on social activity. And Daily Pulse is a solid morning routine tool. The 20-question daily limit is a real constraint though. You have to be selective with how you use it. Synapse is deep. It does not try to do everything. It takes one coin, connects to live market data through MCP, and gives you a structured, professional-grade analysis report in seconds. Executive summary, price action, technical patterns, volume, sentiment, key levels, conclusion, all of it. That is the kind of report that used to take a team of analysts to produce. The key difference is this: TradeGPT is powered by Bybit's own data layer. Synapse is powered by Claude and MCP, which means it is pulling from a much wider live data environment. That is not a small thing. That is the difference between a tool that reads Bybit's data and a tool that reads the market. If you are a casual trader who wants a quick daily briefing and coin discovery, TradeGPT does that well. If you are a serious trader who wants institutional grade analysis before you open a position, Synapse is the better tool, and it is only going to get more powerful as the automated watchdog and order management features roll out. Both are free, both are built into their platforms. But in terms of depth and data quality, Synapse has the edge right now. All right, and look, for the next few years, two kinds of traders will exist. The ones using AI and the ones still doing everything manually. Same market, very different outcomes. Here's how you get on the right side of that. I have put together everything inside the AI Trade Edge community. Every prompt, every bot, every template, every step-by-step guide I personally use, all in one place. And everything I build going forward gets added straight into the group the moment it drops. We are also testing strategies from all over the internet, automating them using PineScript, running them live, and sharing exactly what works and what does not. So you are not just getting tools. You are getting a live research operation. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that is it. TradeGPT versus Toobit Synapse, fully broken down side by side. Both tools are free. Both are built into their platforms. But if you are serious about trading with AI, Synapse is the one to watch, especially with everything that is coming next. If you are not on Toobit yet, the link is in the description. Up to $8,810 in rewards, $30 just for signing up, VIP 1 for a month, deposit bonuses, trading bonuses, it all stacks. Takes 2 minutes and it is already worth it before you even place a trade. If you want the full platform walkthrough on how to actually trade on Toobit and Bybit, deposits, futures, everything, I have got a video for that too. Check it out on screen right now. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. If this was useful, leave a like. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more of this. I am covering every new AI trading tool as it drops. I will see you in the next one.